I'm Sarah Walston, and I'm here to show you how to make a DIY rhythm shaker with things from your home. And this is a great thing to do with children to further enforce the idea of dynamics and to practice how it works with music. So, what you're going to need is 3 containers. Now, this can be a Tupperware container, an old jar, a water bottle, whatever you have. And we're going to fill each container with something, just whatever you have in your house. It doesn't matter. The thing that's important about it is, though, we do want something to be loud, something to be kind of in the middle, medium, and quiet. And again, those are our 3 major dynamic words here. Now, I've got this big Tupperware container. I just so happen to have a big one, a middle one, and a small one. You don't have to do that, but it does make a visual opportunity happen here. Now, I've filled my big one with coins. And it doesn't, they could be buttons, they could be coins, just something that's loud. So I'm going to give it a big shake here. Woo! Okay, that one works. That's loud. The second one I have here, my middle container, I filled with paper clips. Now, you could do something like rice or beans. I bet that would be a good one, but this is just what I had in my drawer, and it worked for me. So if I give that a good shake, still decently loud, but not breaking the eardrums here. Now, our third one is a little different. I went rummaging around in my junk drawer. How many of you have a junk drawer? Oh yeah. You can find anything in there. And I found a bouncy ball. Now this is a little bit different than the other 2, but I think it's going to work pretty well for what we're trying to do here. Now, put on your listening ears because this one's pretty quiet. But it's soft. It is quiet. And so with your children, they can have so much fun just finding whatever and shoving it in things and shaking it up. And the cool thing about it is it actually does work as an instrument. So I would turn on their music, let them shake around, do a dance, and just have fun with them using your new instruments. One other thing you could practice with them is just to have them close their eyes and maybe do a little test like this. All right, out there, close your eyes. I'm going to do a test for you. Now, which shaker am I using? Is this soft, medium, or loud? No peeking. Ah! It's loud, it's loud, it's loud. Oh gosh, it's too loud. All right, close your eyes. I'm going to do one more. Oh, kind of sounds like rain on a roof. Yeah, it's soft. So as you see, it's a simple project, it's fun for the kids, and it needs no prep. So I hope you enjoyed learning about dynamics, making your shakers. And if you're still interested in learning more about dynamics, click on the link to go to Mr. Greg's Musical Madness about dynamics. Goodbye.